this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you're not receiving calls or messages on your Android phone. So sometimes I'll receive like a voicemail, but I won't get any kind of notification or anything like that because I have Do Not Disturb turned on. So if we scroll on down from the top, we could have an option called Do Not Disturb or Modes. So we can just click on Modes and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on, or the sleep mode is turned on, bedtime. So it's going to silence everything, so you're not going to receive calls. So even driving right here. So turn off all this stuff, and we'll go in the settings. I'll show you where that is. So you won't be able to receive your calls or your messages if you accidentally press this. So modes is important. Then also airplane mode. So if you have airplane mode on, you won't be connected to the internet anymore. So click off airplane mode and modes. And then you can see I have networks right here. We want to go over here, and there should be an option for like mobile data. Maybe not on this specific phone, but on my other phone right here, there is an option for mobile data. So if you turn off your mobile data by accident, well, you're not going to have any phone data. So you can see mobile data located right in here on the top. Just make sure this is turned on, and then you should be receiving phone calls. So if you accidentally touch one of these widgets, just make sure those are turned off. So now we can go into settings as well. So let's go into settings, and then we can go to network and connections, and just make sure we have an internet connection. So we can go into our SIM card right here, and we can just look at our SIM card and make sure that's plugged in. So I have no SIM card plugged in, that's why I don't have anything working on here. So you could have like airplane mode right here is turned off. That's good. Okay, this is looking good. And then we can go back under here and go to settings, and then you can see modes. This is where you get to this. So make sure nothing's on for that specifically. So if we turn off those two things, we should be good. We can also go to like about phone right here, and there should be an option under here on some of our versions of our phone, but I don't see it under here. It's actually located under system. So on my Samsung phone, if I go to about phone, I have the option to reset my network. So on this one, it is under system. So I can scroll on down under here, and here's reset options. And I can go to where it says reset mobile settings right here. So if I reset my mobile settings right here, this won't cancel your mobile service plan, so I can just reset my eSIM to get replacement SIM. So I'm going to have to type in my eSIM again, so I can just reset my settings, and then that should be good. But go ahead and just check that out so you don't have those settings on by accident. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.